In this video, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can fill an Accord 125 for you to help with commercial applications. In this video, we're going to be utilizing a skill, which is kind of like a automation or a recipe, if you will, that you can have in ChatGPT. You can download this one for free. It'll do your Accord 125s. And for this demo, I'm going to base it off of an email. So you may be asking yourself, well, how does ChatGPT know what to put into the Accord form? And in this case, I'm going to connect my Gmail, and then it's going to go through this thread. So you can see in this sample email, it's saying, we need a certificate before the 1st. Here's the business info, etc. Then I said, send me legal name, FEIN, whatever you want on the cert, etc. And we can see from there, what we have is an email with information about the building, there's square footage, how much is open to the public, etc. So let's get into the actual use case of this. We're going to start by clicking on New Chat inside of ChatGPT. Then at the top, I'm going to click on the work mode icon. So you have to download the ChatGPT app on your computer to use this. Then what I'm going to do is use the slash, and that means I can pull up my menu here in ChatGPT, and I can type the name of a skill. So if I type fill, I can see fill Accord 125. That's like a little recipe that I have in there, right? And if you want to read more about skills, you can do so on my website, WhereToBegin.ai. So I'm just going to say, I want to use this recipe, and I will say, go to my Gmail and look for an email thread between Marcus and I from Coastal Grind Coffee and fill out this application, okay? And I'm using an app on my computer called Whisperflow, which lets me talk, and then it automatically types for me. And you can see now, ChatGPT is saying, I'm using the Accord 125 filling workflow. I'll search your Gmail for Coastal Grind Coffee with Marcus, extract the application details, and fill the provided Accord 125 PDF. For you guys to know, it is 7:48 p.m. right now, and we can see that it already found the thread with Marcus that has the legal name, the address, FEIN, etc. Now it says it's mapping those details into the Accord form and preserving fields that the thread does not establish. Meaning it's not going to make up any information if it doesn't know it. It's just going to say, in Marcus's email, we have the FEIN. FEIN field exists on the 125. Let me fill it out. Marcus's email has the business name, square footage, revenue, information about the additional certificate holder, etc. It will fill out what it can, and then it will give me a list of what I need to add to this PDF. So it's been 1 minute so far. Let's jump to when it's done. It's 7:50 p.m. now. You can see this in the top right corner of my screen. And it says that it completed the Accord 125 using that Gmail thread. Awesome. It says there's some missing data, so the insurance carrier and NAC code, the producer mailing address and phone number, premiums, SCIC code, etc., and then what would be helpful, right? So if I click on this document now, this PDF, we can see that it put me, WhereToBegin.ai, as the agency. You can see the name, the email address. It's saying that this is a quote right here. Perfect. Then today's date. So today is August 23rd, 2026. This is for GL and property. And as we scroll down, we can see that when I go to the next page, we have Marcus's information here filled out into the right fields, their annual revenue, 1.1 million, description of primary operations, date the business started, etc. It did not fill out any information that it didn't have access to. And now I can just save this PDF, right? I can click open in and then download a copy, or I can open it inside of my PDF apps on my computer and fill out the rest of the info. And I'm done, right? I have the majority of the document ready for me. Now, let's say I want to change some of the information, like the agency name, the contact, the carrier, etc. How can I do that? Well, I could just type. Update the carrier name to say AmTrust, put the policy number as 123456. For the agency name, say WhereToBegin.ai-Ben can help. And for the annual revenue, change it to 2.2 million. So again, I used Whisperflow, so I was just talking, saying what edits I want, and now ChatGPT is going to update this 125 for me, so I don't even have to open it in another PDF app. 7:52 p.m. right now. Let's see how long it takes to get these changes done. There we go, 7:53 p.m. It says it's done. There's a refresh button up top, so if I hit refresh, we can see that it put Ben can help, policy number 123456, and if I go to the page with the revenue, we can see it now says annual revenues, 2.2 million. That's it. If you want to start doing this in your own ChatGPT, you can get the free skill from my website, WhereToBegin.ai. If you have questions, email help@WhereToBegin.ai. And if you want to take the course, that's interactive, that teaches you how to use ChatGPT inside of ChatGPT, then you can get that at WhereToBegin.ai. Hope you have a great week and don't spend too much time filling Accords. Go enjoy it literally doing anything else.